right, here we go. Question 15 from our Precalculus homework number 2 in MyLab Math. We have another quadratic function. The first thing they want us to find is the vertex. And what I'm going to do from here on out is I'm going to use my Casio ClassWiz. I believe I've already done a sufficient job at demonstrating how to find this information algebraically. Now we're going to take a more efficient approach to answering these questions. So with our calculator, in order to find the vertex, we want to go to the menu. We want to scroll down to where it says equation/function. We do have a polynomial, option 2. It is degree 2. It is a quadratic. And so we simply need to input the values for A, B, and C. That would be 1, -2, and -15. And then if I hit equals, notice it is going to give me the x-intercepts. I am going to go ahead and make a note of that. So the x-intercepts are going to be at 5 and -3. And then for the vertex, if I hit equals one more time, it says minimum. Now that also tells me that this parabola opens up. I mean, we knew that already because A is positive, but it tells me that the vertex is going to be a minimum. And the x-coordinate is 1, and the y-coordinate is -16. And so with the Casio ClassWiz, we can get all of this information from one mode. All right, here we go. Having this information written down, we're going to go to our ordered pair tool and input our vertex 1, -16. And it's a good thing I wrote those x-intercepts down because now they want them. It does not require an ordered pair, so we're simply going to put the x-coordinates, 5 and -3. The points on the graph for which f of x is -15. Now this is going to require a little bit of work. So what we're going to need to do to answer this question is replace f of x with what they give me. They said f of x is -15. And then I'm going to need to solve the resulting quadratic equation for x. So to solve a quadratic, we need to set it equal to 0. We're going to move the -15, which makes it positive. This is going to be super nice because those 15s actually cancel, which leaves me a binomial. Since there are only 2 terms, I simply need to factor out the common factor of x and then set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Moving the -2 makes it positive, and then coming back over here into the window, it says type an ordered pair. And notice it does say points, plural. There are 2 points here. So we're going to use our ordered pair tool. These values that we calculated in our scratch work, those are the x-coordinates. If you're wondering what is the y-coordinate, that is what they gave me. Remember, f of x is y, so y is -15. Now, we do need to separate these ordered pairs with a comma. So we're going to say comma. Next ordered pair, the x-coordinate is 2 from our scratch work. Again, the y-coordinate is -15. That's going to be the same, because that's what they asked for. And next they want me to graph. So we're going to click to enlarge the graph. We're going to have to choose the parabola tool. They want the vertex first. So if we go back and look at our previous work, we know that the vertex is the ordered pair 1, -16. You can look in the yellow toolbar up there to make sure you're at the right coordinates and click. And then it wants simply another point on the parabola. And if I haven't made it clear, the easiest point probably to come up with is the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is always at the value of c. So we can go on the y-axis to the point 0, -15, and click, and that should give us our parabola. And that's going to do it for this question. So if you have any questions or comments about anything that I've covered, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.